News. Moving on now, the Civil Society Legislative and Advocacy Center, as well as its partners, are calling for greater transparency, as well as stricter environmental, social, and governance compliance. They made this call at the presentation of a report on fair financing in Nigeria. Helen Osamide-Akins has more.
Host communities in the Niger Delta, where oil extraction primarily take place, continue to bear the environmental and social cost of this wealth. In response to years of agitation for justice, the Nigerian government enacted the Petroleum Industry Act in 2021, aiming to reform the sector. One of its key provisions is the establishment of the Host Communities Development Trust Fund, designed to allocate a portion of oil companies' profits to local development projects. Yet there is limited public scrutiny of how these financial flows align with environmental, social, and governance standards, or whether they contribute to worsening conditions in oil-producing areas. It is against this backdrop that this coalition conducted a community-level case study in some oil-hosting communities in Akwa Ibom and Bayelsa states. The report tagged Fair Finance Nigeria reveals the bureaucratic delay, non-transparency, and due influence by oil companies are still in real progress.
We want to see clean up Ogoni land in 1 month. That's timeline. In as much as we know that IPREP, we are giving timeline, I can believe they are far, far, far behind that. So who take the responsibility for that time that has been, I will not say wasted, but that time that we've not been able to achieve much?
The report details community frustrations and environmental social governance implementation and their belief that finance-backed oil companies as settlers exert undue influence over fund allocation and project implementation, thereby affecting sustainability.
We have noted that oil companies are not even respecting the terms and agreement that they are supposed to be complying with.
The report also exposes the link between poor ESG compliance and illicit activities, including crude oil theft. Helen Osamide-Akins, TVC News